Aloha, Haumana! This is Uncle Hal. In this video, you're going to learn how to start making your movies, beginning with your Ho'olauna piece. From the desktop, click iMovie. Wait for it. Okay, here we go. When iMovie loads, you will probably see the last project being worked on by either yourself or a fellow student. Please click Projects, and you're going to click Create New, select Movie. That will give you a blank slate. When your screen looks like this, you're all set to begin making your movies. Click Import Media, and the default is usually the FaceTime camera. If not, that's okay. You'll find the FaceTime camera in the upper left-hand corner that you can click on. At this point in the screen recording, I'm explaining what a rule of thirds compositional shot is. Notice how I'm off to the side. This is a basic rule of thirds shot. If it was truly framed correctly, I'd be sitting back a little bit and wouldn't have this thing poking out of my head. Background would be okay. No noise in the background, okay? But as far as your first video project, this is what we're shooting for. Off to the side, not right in the middle like this. All right, off to the side. Rule of thirds. So now that you know how to frame your shot, it's time to hit that record button and just read your script into the camera. Oh, how ko'u inoa. No, Pennsylvania, my ao. Noha ao ma, Mountain View. Hana ao ma, Volcano School of Arts and Sciences. Aloha. Push the red button again to stop recording. You can repeat the process as many times as you'd like in order to get your best take. Once you're satisfied with your take, simply click on the clip and drag it to the construct below. It's in this construct region that all the magic happens. This is where you can add titles and music and transitions and really make your piece come to life. On screen now, you'll notice I'm trimming what's called pad. We always shoot pad, and that's about 3 seconds before the actual meat and potatoes of the clip, as well as 3 extra seconds at the end. And if there's anything I need to cut out in the middle, in iMovie, just push R and your cursor to select the part that needs to be cut. Push delete, and it's gone. For this assignment, you also need to title your piece. Click on Titles up above, and it will pop up an assortment of titles that you can choose from. If you slowly hover above the title, you can see how your movie would be presented. Pick one that you like. Once you've selected a title, simply click on it and drag it to the beginning of your movie. Highlight the text in your preview screen and type your title. You can preview your title by clicking above the segment. That gives you access to your timeline, and I've started mine from the beginning, again by clicking above the segment. You would follow this same process to add any text to your movie. Any piece that we create for class needs to also be tagged. You can minimize iMovie and open your internet. Please use Safari. We've found it to be most compatible with iMovie and Final Cut Pro. Again, please use Safari. And that goes for any internet needs in this class, including checking your school email accounts. Open your search engine and click Images. In school, you can use Google. I just happen to be using StartPage because of its automatic safe search settings. Say that 3 times fast. Type in our school's name, and you will find our school logo. It's the second pick from the left. Now, you can simply drag your internet search off to the side, click and drag our school logo onto your desktop. You may already have the school logo on your desktop, as I do, but for demonstration purposes, this is how we obtain our tag. You can now minimize your internet and expand iMovie. By clicking iMovie's header, you can simply drag it off to the side a little bit to reveal your school logo. Click and drag the school logo, and we need those tags at the end and at the beginning of our piece. The default setting for JPEGs and other still images is to apply what they call the Ken Burns setting. Click the crop icon up above. You'll see Ken Burns is highlighted. We want to click Fit. That will present our school logo and hence our tag in full screen. Please be sure to change the settings for your ending tag as well. And just like you added a title, you'll need to add credits at the end of your movie. I've selected the most popular credits used in class. And very important, do not push delete. At this point, again, do not push delete. Instead, within the field, highlight every line in order to change your text. Again, highlight every line and change your text. I'll skip ahead a little bit, and you'll see at the end, after all of your credits are entered, then you can highlight and push delete. And please look over your text for spelling mistakes. Click down in your timeline and check out your piece. Oh my God! So class, at this point, you've just learned all that you need to know as far as how to edit and create great videos. We'll have many opportunities in class to practice filming, writing, composition, all the other good things that go into it. The first challenge is to learn the editing software, and congratulations, you just did it. If there's something about your piece that you just didn't like, again, you've acquired the skills to be able to go back and change it and make your video the way that you want. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go back and recreate mine just to show you folks how much fun we can have in this class. Pennsylvania, my Yokohama Mountain View, Hanauma Volcano School of Arts and Sciences. Woo! Yeah! All right. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Let me know. Hey, give me feedback also if there's anything that we can do to make our projects better. That's what we're all about in digital media. All right. If you feel that you're all finished with your Ho'olauna piece, have a classmate review it. Again, you can keep watching it over and over until you're totally happy with it. Then bring it up. You and I can talk about it. Again, it's all about growth in our class, and we have fun. So, see you in class. We are digital media!